Hello, guys. So, more about learning a language. For me, it's Japanese. I'm gonna start with Japanese. I'm gonna keep going Japanese. I right now I'm doing this program where I'm hosting a Japanese student from Japan, and um, he's gonna come next year. But let's see if I can meet him earlier so I can ask him for help with my Japanese. It's far too expensive to go to Japan with this program, and my school doesn't have a Japanese exchange program that's cheaper. So I'm out of luck there. And oh yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Now let's get to business. I'm still using iStart Japanese. I talked briefly about it last time, I think. Let me just say, great application. Go get it yourself. I think $4 or $5 in the App Store, Apple, Android. That's it for both. It's a great starting, as it says at the I start. Great application. Teaches you sentence structure. Most important in learning language. Grammar. First learn basic phrases. No, first learn the alphabet. Alphabet. Character. For Japanese, you learn the characters. The kana, the a, I, u, e, kemichi, a, I, u, e, o, ka, ku, ki, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, su, se, so. We learn how to pronounce each of them. In Japanese, easy. It keeps the a, I, u, e, o all the way through. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, su, te, ro. Na ni nu ne no ha hi fu ke ho ma mi mu me mo ya yu yo ra ri ru re ro wa ho Okay, the R's in Japanese in the alphabet pronounced different. It's not R, E, ru, re, ro. It's not that. It's trying like in Spanish. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. It's like in between of an L and an R sound. So, sa, la, li, lu, le, lo. Are you? It's like in between. So pretty much putting your tongue where you put the L, la, like on the top of your, like kind of behind your teeth without touching your teeth, la. But instead of trying to pronounce la, try to pronounce the R, like ra, where it's like that. So it's like ra, ra, ri, ru, re, ro. So Landon, it's instead with an L, it's an R. Because R sounds kind of like an L when you say ra. So it's random instead of London, London, London. You get me? Or London, London or London. But that's all I know. Learning the alphabet. It's gonna help you pronunciation, and when you learn the characters, you can start learning how to write out the names, nouns, verbs. So you can learn how to write earlier. Helpful. And when you see a phrase, a sentence in Japanese, you can kind of break it down and you can Google search it, what it means. Like, I got a phrase book right here. Good thing to have. You can start guessing what it is. So, like, right there, I don't know if you can see it. Right there. This actually shows you the letters itself, but I can actually break it down without using that by myself. And I can just Google search it and see what it is. I can start learning like that a little bit. But going more in depth, the alphabet. Step 1. Step 2. Learning basic words and phrases like konnichiwa, Ochenkirishka. Ochenkirishka means are you well? Konnichiwa means hello. Sayonara, goodbye. Um, Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you. Um, Kudasai, please, for asking. Dozo, please, for offering. Hi, ie, no. Yes, no. Hi, yes, no, ie. Sumimasen, excuse me. Wakari, wakarimasu, wakarimasu. I understand. Okay must mean I know. Wakarimasen, I don't know. So you learn basic words, basic phrases like I eat sushi. Sushi o taberu. Unform of that like more like not polite form. Polite form. Sushi o tabemasu. Do you eat sushi? You can add the anata sushi o taberuka or tabemasu to be polite, or but you don't have to. Or you can add deska instead of, so it can be anata sushi o tabe deska. I mean, it's just saying do you eat sushi? But I'll try to keep it as much as you can. So sushi o taberuka. Easy as that. Learn basic stuff. Learn the sentence structure by learning basic words, basic phrases, and now get more now. And after that, get more in depth with the grammar and the sentence structures. After you learn this stuff, which Astar Japanese will teach you very well, if you work effectively, not efficiently. Effective learners learn to where the material sticks to your head. The material versus methods. Um, an effective learner gets some goes through every step, learns everything, like just goes the way they want to teach you, and you pay attention like goodly where you get all the information, all the material in your head. And a efficient learner is the person that tries to take shortcuts. So like if you're trying to do this app, try to do it as fast as you want. It's like if you already know the the sentence structure I took you earlier, and you try to use it again for the rest of the application, when it's not gonna work because there's different methods. There's the grammar changes through the application. Adjectives are different than verbs. They're using the way they use them is differently, and they try to skip the teaching. Let me show you. They try to skip the teaching, and they just learn the vocabulary, try to learn the vocabulary like that. It does not work. So there's always a tutorial where they try to teach you the writing. In this lesson, look at the katakana, where they learn the sound, the characters, and the vocabulary. If you try to skip the tutor and go to vocabulary right away, it's not gonna be effective to you. Be effective, not efficient. Okay? So learn the grammar wisely. Learn it well. After you start learning the grammar, we get into a phrase book. And Japanese is good, important. I think it's important to learn particles, particles like the and the. That way changes what the word, how you say it, the way it's supposed to mean. So like you can say ni, or it's an object marker. Ni is like go to it's like a place in time or something like that. So you say like Tokyo ni ikiru. I go Tokyo. Tokyo. Tokyo means, well, Tokyo, Tokyo. Ikiru means go, I go. And ni is to. So, Tokyo ni ikiru, ikimasu. I go to Tokyo. And if you see what I'm trying to say, and now you can use this material, this method to learn other words, other other stuff, other phrases. So, I'm going to my Facebook, and I'm just gonna pick a random sentence out. Um, let's say, I'm gonna say food, or let me see if I can find food. Food. Okay, here. Um, here. I don't know how you can read it. It says right here. Why not boru borotoro boro? No, sorry, not that. Okay. Wino o absmanner boroture boroture. So it's a wine. I don't know what that means. It means wine. Sounds close. So I can infer that boro rue means bottle. I think there might be a particle, maybe, but I'm not for sure. Okay, another one. Matcha. Well, I know ocha means tea. So I'm saying that like ocha, like o in the beginning of the cha is a particle for tea. So here it says matcha, powdered green tea. Like that changes what kind of tea it is, and you can use it for other stuff. Um, I love this dish. Konjo Konyorika ski desu. I know ski means like, love, whatever. Des means like, it's like a being verb. It's like being, a being verb. So it could be was, it could be like be, been, being, was, is, etc. So here I can infer them. So ski desu. So saying I love this dish. Dish I'ma infer is konoro. Then ka es konoro is dish. I can already infer that. I don't need to Google Translate it. I can already infer it. And use the method to start learning words, vocabulary, and it's better. You can learn vocabulary by an application, by a book, by anything, but learn the structure first. You can, after you start learning the structure, you can, like part, like if you vocab now not just yeah if you vocabulary, or you can like read something off of Facebook, use it in manga, use it in manga, comic book, anime, anime comic books, using that. If you like anime, use it in the movies. Try find translations and connect them, where you can like translate it and do it over and over again. Translate it where it sticks to your head and you learn the unformed style of Japanese. Like this, you can start progressing. You can learn vocabulary a lot faster because you know how to use the vocabulary. You know how to use it. You know how you can use it with somebody else. You can find it somebody that's Japanese and try to speak to them in Japanese. Ask for help. Foreign a foreign Japanese student is very helpful. Look for one. I got one right here. I have one. I have a friend, and I'm gonna have somebody. I have a host. I'm a host a Japanese student, and he wants to learn English. I'm teaching English, and for an exchange, I can learn Japanese. He can teach me a little bit of Japanese and try to perfect my Japanese. Try to make it better. That's my method of learning Japanese. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hopefully this helps. I'm a quarter way through my progress right now. Thank you.